Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 15. Find the circumference of the inner and the outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Here you see that this is the outer circle and the radius of outer circle is 19 meter, right? Therefore you can solve that radius of radius of outer circle radius of outer circle is equal to, you see the radius is 19 meter, 19 meter, right? They will find the circumference. Therefore circumference F E R E N C E circumference of the outer circle circumference of the outer circle is equal to, we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, that we can write it as 2 into pi into r. That it comes to 2. Take the value of pi as 3.14, and the radius is 19 meter into 19 meter, right? If we multiply this one at 19 into 2, 19 into 2, 2 9 18, carry 1 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, 38. Now if you multiply 3.14 with 38, then we will get 4 is 32, 3, it is 2, 8 plus 3, 19, 11, carry 1, here is 1, 3 8 24 plus 1, 25, 25, and here it is 3 4 is 12, carry 1, it is 2, 3 plus 1, 4, and 3 3 is 9. If we add, this is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, right? And point after 2 digits, right? That comes to 119.32 meter, and 32 meter. This is the circumference of the outer circle. You'll find radius of the inner circle. Now you'll find radius of the inner circle right here. Here you see this is 10 meter, means this is also 10 meter. Here you see, here you find the value. The total is 19 meter. From here to here it is 10 meter. That means from this here to here is also 10 meter. This is also 10 meter, right? Now from here to here, this radius of the smaller circle will be 9 meter, because 9 plus 10 is 19, right? Therefore the radius of the smaller circle will be 19 minus 10, that is 9 meter. Therefore radius of the inner circle, radius of the inner circle is equal to 19 minus 10, 19 minus 10 meter, and that is equal to 9 meter, right? Therefore circumference of the inner circle, circumference of the inner circle circumference of the inner inner circle. Circumference of the inner circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. R is the radius of the inner circle. That becomes 2. Pi is 3.14. 3.14 and radius is 9 meter. 9, that is meter. Or here you can see that 3.14 into 9 to the 18 meter. If we multiply this one, that is 3.14 multiply with 18 on 8. 4 into 32, 3, it is 2. 8 into 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1, it is 1. 3 into 24 plus 1, 25. And if we multiply with 1, that is 4. 1 is 1, 3 is 3. We add the numbers, that is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. Right? And after 2 digits, the decimal point 56.52. That is equal to 56.52. 56 is 6.5252 meter. Right? Here in the adjoining figure, what we find that the circumference of the outer circle is 119.32 meter and the circumference of the inner circle is 56.52 meter. This is the inner circle, this is the outer circle. You have to find the radius. You see, this is the total, that the radius of the outer circle, that is 19 meter. Therefore, here it is given as 10 meter. Right? Therefore, this one is 10 meter. Therefore, the radius of the inner circle will be 9 meter, because 9 plus 10 is 19 meter. Right? You have to find the radius of the inner circle as 9 meter. Therefore, you can find the circumference of the inner circle as 2 pi r, and that one you will get 56.52 meter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.